Hi, beautiful. Merry Christmas. I want to share with you today some encouragement during this season of rest. And I really hope that you are enjoying this holiday season. You know, for me, I enjoy the holiday season from like Halloween all the way through past the New Year. I love the holidays, and I truly believe that it's because I allow myself to embrace during this time a season of rest. And I want to encourage you to do the same. In the Bible, Ecclesiastes chapter 3, it talks about a time for everything under the heavens. I think it says for every purpose under the heavens. And it goes on to list the opposites, you know, like a time for war and a time for peace, a time for laughter and a time to cry, a time for this and a time for that. And I truly believe that the same is applied in pageantry when you want to have the greatest success. You know, I say this because I truly believe that the Bible is true. And if we believe that the Bible is true, then we can apply those principles to everything in our life, right? So I often do that in pageantry because I think it's important to say, okay, if we use the biblical lens and apply it to pageantry, how might we see things differently? You know, I've coached a lot of women who feel pressure that they need to be on all the time, that they constantly have to be striving for the next achievement or moving toward a new goal or just constantly, you know, working. And the truth is that actually we are designed for rest. We are designed to take a break. You know, that's why on the seventh day, God rested. We're intended to have a Sabbath. That's kind of the formal word for like regular rest time, you know, whenever you need to take it. It doesn't have to be every Sunday or whatever. For you, it could be any time. But I do believe the importance of taking that rest. So I would encourage you this holiday season to find a time to dance and a time to laugh and a time to sing and a time to just rest and soak up all of the things that you've worked so hard for over the last year. Because pretty soon it will be time to start all over again. As you know, the energy in January is electric and everyone's going to be starting their new thing and achieving their goals and going after it. But right now, relish this time to rest. And I promise you, just trust that your same self, your same high achiever, high performer self is going to be there on the other side, okay? But use this time as a time for rest. I know I will be with my family, and I hope you will be too. Mwah! Merry Christmas.